Comrades, Comrade Gorbachev, delegates, fraternal delegates, on behalf of our delegation and the membership of the Communist Party of Canada, we extend our warm fraternal greetings to your great 27th Congress. The eyes of the world are on this Congress, and understandably so. The line of action your Congress charts will not only have a profound effect in the Soviet Union, it will have an equally profound effect on the course of world development. Your Congress's line of action and plans up to the year 2000 stand out as further confirmation that socialism, peace, and social progress go together. The latest peace initiative by the Soviet Union, what has properly been called the Gorbachev peace plan to end the threat of nuclear war, has stirred the world. The concrete steps proposed to reach that goal, the time schedule, these mark a tremendous step forward in the fight for peace. Instead of moving in harmony with these proposals by agreeing to annul Star Wars and undertaking a moratorium on further nuclear testing, the Reagan administration, as we see, continues its dangerous course while talking peace. However, the time is long past for hollow statements about peace while accelerating the arms race. Concrete actions are called for. It is a matter of concern that the news media in Canada have, to all intents and purposes, blacked out the Gorbachev proposals for putting an end to nuclear arms. All this emphasizes the point that tremendous efforts are called for to popularize these proposals, to win massive support for them, and to extend the peace movements. The formation of the Canadian Peace Alliance, embracing all peace movements in Canada, has created better possibilities to extend the fight for peace and for an independent foreign policy for Canada. This is all the more necessary in light of systematic efforts by the Canadian government to further integrate Canada economically and in foreign policy with United States imperialism. This pro-United States orientation has led to widespread concern and alarm amongst a growing body of Canadians. More and more Canadians understand now that free trade with the United States leads to loss of Canada's sovereignty and independence and absorption of Canada within the United States empire. We wish the Soviet people success in their efforts in further strengthening socialism in every way, and by their efforts in this direction to influence world development towards peace, independence, and social progress. Again, fraternal greetings to your great Congress. Again, fraternal greetings to your great Congress, to the leadership and members of the Communist Party of the Soviet Union, to the Soviet peoples. Long live friendship and cooperation between our two countries. Long live friendship, solidarity, and cooperation between our two parties in the struggle for peace and social progress. Long live Marxism, Leninism, and proletarian internationalism.